Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I'll show you how you can receive the USDT from the Bybit application and wallet to your OKX wallet. So it's a pretty simple thing to do. All you have to do is to open up your OKX wallet and log into it. So for example, you're gonna receive the USDT from the Bybit. So all you have to do is to go and click on USDT and copy the receiving wallet address of OKX. And now all you have to do is to go to the Bybit wallet. Once you're in the Bybit wallet, all you have to do is to go to USDT and go on send button. So if you have the sufficient balance, all you have to do is to put the address of OKX wallet in it and simply write the amount that you want to transfer, and that's pretty much it. That's how you can actually transfer it. So where you can download all these wallet are, you can simply go to Google Chrome extension and type in, for example, OKX wallet extension, and you can download the wallet extension from the Google Chrome. It's pretty simple. Just click on it and you can simply create a wallet, and if you already have a wallet, you can simply log into it. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.